Good day, everyone. Hello and welcome back to Technical Lawyer. I hope everything is going well for you. Today, we're going to talk about a subject that no one wants to talk about but is critical to understand: car accidents and the complicated legal landscape that follows. You've come to the right place if you've just been in a collision, or if you're just looking for information for the future. So take a seat because we're about to delve deep into the legal concerns and the invaluable assistance that a lawyer can provide. Before we begin, please subscribe and ring the bell to remain up to speed on all of our material. Car accidents are not only traumatic events, they also present a slew of legal issues. The aftermath may be complicated, from assessing culpability to handling insurance claims. Today, we'll go over some of the most frequent legal difficulties that people confront after a car accident. Let's start with determining fault. This is an important step not only for insurance claims but also for possible legal action. Because the regulations differ by jurisdiction, it's critical to understand how responsibility is allocated in your location. If you're unsure, consulting local traffic rules or, better still, contacting with an attorney will help. The next challenge is navigating the complex world of insurance. Understanding your rights and obligations while dealing with insurance providers is critical. It's critical to remember that insurance adjusters work for the firm, not you. This is where having a lawyer comes in handy. They can level the playing field and guarantee you're treated fairly throughout the process, increasing your chances of receiving a fair settlement. If you've been injured, you may need to file a personal injury claim. This includes determining the amount of your injuries, obtaining medical records, and negotiating a reasonable compensation. In this situation, a lawyer becomes your advocate, leading you through the legal procedure, ensuring you understand the compensation you may be entitled to, and fighting for your rights. Their contribution is critical to securing justice and fair remuneration. In vehicle accident situations, time is of the importance. Most jurisdictions have statutes of limitations, which establish a time limit for filing a case. Knowing and adhering to these time constraints is critical, and a lawyer may help you meet them while simultaneously constructing a compelling case. Procrastinating in getting legal help may damage your chance to obtain the money you deserve. Let us emphasize the importance of legal representation. Hiring a qualified vehicle accident lawyer is not just recommended in many circumstances, it is required. They bring a thorough awareness of the legal issues, experience negotiating with insurance companies, and the ability to take legal action if necessary. A lawyer becomes your ally, fighting tirelessly to safeguard your rights and interests during this trying time. Before we go any further, I'd like to hear from you. If you have any particular queries about vehicle accident, legal difficulties, or lawyer assistance, please leave them in the comment section below. We'll do our best to answer them in future videos and offer the necessary information. As we dig deeper inside this complicated topic, let's touch on a few more subtopics that frequently arise in car accident cases. Collecting evidence is critical. Documenting the situation, taking photographs, and gathering witness accounts can all help to bolster your case. A lawyer can advise you on what evidence is most persuasive and how to make it admissible in court. It is critical to understand comparative negligence. Some jurisdictions adopt this approach, which implies that if you are determined to be partially at fault, the amount of compensation you receive may be decreased. A lawyer can help you manage this complex issue and minimize its influence on your case. In car accident cases, mediation and alternative dispute resolution methods are frequently used. A lawyer can represent you in these processes, seeking to reach an out-of-court settlement and thus saving you time and stress. That concludes today's in-depth examination of car accident legal issues and the critical role of lawyer support. Remember that information is your strongest weapon. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. Keep driving safely, and I'll see you in the next video.